room 6121. This is a luxury swim out suite. Let's take a look. So we head in, you can see the storage there. We'll come back to that. As I walk in, you've got a beautiful king bed, modern decor, two side tables, some reading lamps. You can see that there's multiple outlets next to the bed as well. This is a sofa bed, or sorry, a sofa sleeper. They'll pull out for sunshine to sleep in. I go back around. You've got a big, beautiful desk area, lots of storage. Looks like they've provided us with some welcome treats. Yum. And this is your amenity bar. So you've got a coffee maker, ice bucket. Let's take a look at the mini fridge. I know a lot of people are interested in those. And we'll take a look at the swim out here, because this is what we were most excited about. Oh, I can feel that heat. So you've got two nice sun loungers, drying rack, table with two chairs. You can see the steps leading to the swim out. And looks like maybe there's about 5 or 6 rooms that share this pool space. As I pan up, you can see there is a pool just beyond the hedge there. And down that way, you have the ocean. But let's go back into the room and take a look at the other spaces. Looks like we have a bit of a peekaboo shower as well. Lots of storage here. You can see some of my luggage sitting up front. And here you've got hangers, safe, steamer, and some drawers. Aside, you've got some more hangers, lovely robes, and slippers. We'll head into the washroom. Big vanity, single sink, good storage below. Got a makeup mirror, hair dryer, your washroom amenities, and big beautiful shower here. Rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle. Really like how they have those large pump bottles as well. Much more sustainable than what most hotels have. Towel rack. And just behind the door here, you have a toilet area. It's really neat that this door here is a dual door, so it can close off the entire washroom space or just the toilet area. Really neat. This was a look at a luxury swim out suite here at Serenade Punta Cana.